Thinking about forming an LLC or switching to an S Corp. The structure you choose has a big impact, not just legally, but financially. In this video, I'll explain the real difference between an LLC and an S Corp, how it affects your taxes, and when to make the switch. LLC versus S Corp basics. An LLC protects your personal assets and is easy to manage. Taxes pass through to your personal return, and you pay self-employment tax on your profits. An S corporation is a tax classification you apply for with the IRS. You still have liability protection, but you're taxed differently, which can lead to major savings. Tax differences that matter. LLC owners pay 15.3% in self-employment tax on all of their business profit. That's because the IRS sees you as self-employed, so you're responsible for both the employer and employee portion of Social Security and Medicare taxes. Now, let's say your business makes $100,000 in profit as an LLC. You'd owe $15,300 in self-employment taxes on top of income tax. That's a big hit. But with an S Corp, it works differently. You split that $100,000 into two parts. A salary you pay yourself, let's say $50,000. A distribution you take as profit, the other $50,000. You only pay payroll taxes on your salary, not the distribution. So now your self-employment tax is based on $50,000, not $100,000, cutting your tax bill to around $7,650. That's a potential savings of over $7,000 just by making the right tax election. When should you elect S Corp? S Corp come with more rules and costs, payroll setup, stricter compliance, and more complex tax filings. That's why it only makes sense once your net profit is around $80,000 or more. Below that, the savings often don't outweigh the added costs. There's another strategy. If you don't actively run your business, say you work fewer than 10 hours a week, you may avoid self-employment tax altogether as a passive LLC owner. This applies more in real estate or businesses with full-time management in place. At SK Financial CPA, we've helped business owners make the right entity decisions and save on taxes for over 23 years. From LLC formation to S Corp elections and strategic tax planning, we'll guide you every step of the way. Not sure if an LLC or S Corp is right for your business? Don't guess, let us help. Visit skfinancial.com to book a consultation. We'll help you set up the right structure for where your business is today and where it's headed.